Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On a 7 days time frame chart, Bitcoin is still moving at the support of $56,500. However, it has formed another lower than previous low, and previously we had this low of $56,500 in the month of May 2024, and now you can see that it has formed another low here in the previous week and still moving at this support, by the way. And we are also having a very nice and long-term support of super trend indicator as well. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this indicator. You can see that whenever the price crosses up this indicator and it turns green, a very long-term bull run on the 7 days time frame chart. By the way, I'm showing you the super trend, and a very long-term bull run starts. And whenever the price crosses down this super trend and when it turns red, then you can see that a very long-term bearish trend starts. For example, it was happening here when it was turned red. We had another rally, a short rally where the price could not break it out, and we had a very long-term bearish move. And after the breakout, another very long-term rally was started. And before that, it was happening here, by the way, when we crossed up in the month of April 2019, a bull run was started, but this was the COVID crash. Therefore, for a while, the price broke down the super trend. However, it covered back very soon, and then we had a very massive bull run, and the price rallied up to $69,000. And before that, it was happening here when we broke out the super trend. The price broke it out, and it was turned green in the month of July 2015. Then we had another very massive bull run that was ended here after the month of December 2017. And same as like that, you can see that after the breakout, this super trend here, you can see that it has again turned green, and we have this very long-term bull run. And now we are again about to hit the support of this super trend. So far, the price did not hit this support. And this is the exponential moving average 50, by the way. And that is now aligned with super trend. That is a very long-term and firm support. You can see that we have tested the support here, and we have tested the support here as well. For a while, we broke it down here, but again, recovered back very soon and tested the support here. And now it is moving with the support of super trend. Therefore, it is making the support of super trend stronger because we also have this EMA 50 support here as well. However, a very significant support of $49,000 is still there, and that was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Floki, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 20th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that since the price line has broken out this super trend and it has turned green, you can see that it is in a very massive bull run. However, at the same time, we also have a very nice up channel as well. This is the resistance of the formation of this up channel. And here we have the support of this channel. And the price line is also testing the support of this channel, almost there. And at the same time, it is very close to hit the support of super trend as well. And you can see that this blue line, that is the EMA exponential moving average 50, the EMA 50 on the weekly time frame chart, very strong support. You can see that it is moving with the support of the channel and also with the support of super trend as well. Therefore, all these supports are making the support of super trend very strong. So far, the price did not hit this support. We're still moving at this support of $56,500. That was the lowest price of the month of May 2024. However, the price has formed another low than previous low. And if we take a look at the previous history of super trend, then you can see that previously, whenever the price and broke down this super trend and it was turned red, then you can see that we had very long-term bearish trends like it was happened here in January 2018. After the breakdown, we had a big drop, and after the breakout, we had a big bull run. After the breakdown, after the month of December 2017, not December, after November 2021, you can see that we had a big drop, and after breaking it out, when it was turned green, then we had another very nice bull run, and now recently we have formed this double top. By the way, such double top was also formed here as well, but the price and after a big drop, move very close to the super trend support, and they covered back very soon, and then we had another rally. Same thing can once again happen if the price and will not break down the support of the super trend. However, there will be also another very significant support just below the support of super trend and the channel support that will be at $49,000 because it was previously working as a very strong resistance, and now it can be flipped into a very nice and strong support. Therefore, even the price and breaks down these supports, then still we will need to keep an eye on this support of $49,000 because it was happening previously as well when the price and formed this double top here and we had a nice drop here. Then you can see that this level was previously breaking as a resistance that was approximately at $2,400 or $2,500, and you can see that it was breaking at the resistance here, then it was flipped into a support. And despite this very huge double top, the price and again moved up, and this rally to the upside was continued. Therefore, despite this double top, we will need to keep an eye on this support. At the same time, I would also like to show you this directional movement index or DMI indicator as well. And you can see that here we have a bit critical situation because the negative directional index has crossed up the positive directional index. The positive directional index represents bulls, and this negative directional index represents bears. And whenever this orange line, that is a negative directional index, crosses up this blue line, that shows that now a bearish move can be started, a bear trend can be started. However, this ADX shows the power of bulls or bears, the force of bulls or bears, and it is showing us that how much will be the power of the sell-off when it is crossing up. And you can see that it is still moving to the downside. Like here, when we had a bull cross, when this positive directional movement index was crossing up the negative directional index, that was a buying signal, by the way. At the same time, you can see that ADX was also moving aggressively to the upside. That was showing us that the buying can be very powerful. But this time, the opposite is happening. We are receiving a bear cross, like this orange line is crossing up the blue line, but ADX is moving to the downside. However, if it will be starting moving to the upside, that will be something concerning, and that can be a bearish signal. However, so far so good. The ADX is still moving to the downside. Therefore, it can be a false signal, and there is a probability that we may see another bounce from the support of super trend. Right now, this support of super trend is moving approximately at $52,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.